Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset the Wyze Floodlight Camera in 2026. Now on your Wyze Floodlight Camera, you need to first of all locate the reset button on the camera module. So the reset button is most probably available over here. So you need to find the reset button. Afterwards, simply press and hold this particular reset button for about 10 to 20 seconds until you hear a voice prompt or until you see the status lights change. This confirms that the reset has started. Now, if you don't get any response even after pressing this particular reset button, then the issue may be power related. So in that case, you just have to first of all turn off the power from the switch or breaker. Afterwards, wait for 30 seconds and then simply turn back the power on. Now, as soon as the camera boots up, again press and hold the reset button, and some units respond better right after powering on. After a successful reset, the camera will enter into the setup mode. You will see a blinking light, or you can also hear a prompt indicating it is ready to connect again. Now, if you don't see this, make sure that you repeat the reset while ensuring the steady power. Then you can open the Wyze application and then you can add the camera as a new device, reconnect it to your Wi-Fi and then complete the setup process. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.